think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be the third video of our Navratri series. So if you are new here and if you don't know what is Navratri series, then you should watch the first video of the Navratri series and then you'll get to know everything about Navratri series. So I'll make sure to link it up here in the I button, so go watch it and then you'll get to know everything about it. So today's video is going to be Devi Chandraghanta inspired makeup look and tutorial. Chandraghanta is a very fearless and courageous Devi. She is also known as one of the most beautiful Devi amongst all the Navdurga avatars, and also she is dressed up in a red saree and she is 10 armed, so she has different types of weapons and accessories in her hands, and her jewelry is also very heavy and very beautiful. So I'm really excited for this look. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first I'll be applying this Colourbar Flawless Finish Primer. Now I'm not going to be using a foundation, instead I'll directly start with a concealer. So I'll be using the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer in the shade 04 Medium Beige. And I'll be blending all the concealer using this round fluffy brush. So in this case, we'll be first doing our eye makeup and then do our base makeup. The reason is because, when we apply the eyeshadow, there is a little bit of fallout over here. So when we do the base makeup first, it kind of looks off. So first we'll do the eye makeup and then start with the foundation and everything so that it covers perfectly. So today we are going to be doing this step only. Now I'm going to be filling my eyebrows using the dark brown bronzer. I'll be using the same flat shader brush to fill in my eyebrows. Now I'll be using the same Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer and then clean out my eyebrows. Now I'll be using this flat fluffy brush and then blend the concealer that I've used to clean out my eyebrows. I'll do the same thing to this eyebrow and then come back. Yeah, I'm done with this eyebrow. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. For today's eye makeup, I'm going to be using the You Can Be Spotlight 40 colored eyeshadow palette here and use it in my crease. Now I'll be using this red shade over here and place it in my inner corner. You can see I've applied the red eyeshadow over here. Now I'll be picking up this darker, maroonish shade and then applying it in my outer corner, kind of to give it like a smoky effect. I'll be picking up both of these brown and black shadows and kind of smudge it in my outer corner to give it a little bit of a smoky effect. Now I'll be picking up this red shimmer shadow over here and I'll be applying it with the help of my finger. So now I'm going to be doing the same to this eye and then come back. You guys can see I'm done with both my eyes, but there is a lot of fallout going on under my eyes, but it's going to be fixed in a bit. So let me quickly blend all of this and then come back. And now I'll be applying the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'll quickly blend all of it and then come back. You can see I'm done blending the foundation. Now I'll be setting my face using the Lakme Rose Powder. Now I'll be using this Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 eyeshadow palette for applying my blush. And now I'll be contouring my nose and face using the LA Colors Highlight and Contour palette in the shade Light Medium. And I'll be using this slightly slant flat brush for contouring my nose. Now I'll be highlighting my face using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. And I'll be using this flat fluffy brush for highlighting my face.
That's good.
So we have finished our base makeup. Now let's complete our rest of the eye makeup. So first I'll be applying this Miss Ads eyeliner. You can see I'm done applying the eyeliner to this eye as well. Now I'll be using this Plum Natural Studio Kohl Kajal to line my lower lash line. So I'm gonna apply this kajal off camera and then come back. So you guys can see I'm done applying the kajal. So now I'll be applying mascara and false eyelashes off camera and then I'll come back. And I'll be using the same Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. As you can see I'm done applying the mascara and my false eyelashes. So now I'll be applying a lipstick and then yeah. So to start off, I'll be using this Maybelline Red Lipstick. I'll be using this slightly angled brush to line my lips. So I'm done outlining my lips. Now I'll be applying this Maybelline red lipstick. So now we are done with our lipstick too. So let's move on to the last step, which is fixing our makeup. So I'll be using the same Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner as my makeup fixer. And yeah, that's it. The makeup is done, and now I'm going to be showing you guys the saree, the blouse, the jewelry and every other accessory that I'm going to be using in today's look.
पिण्डज प्रवरारूढा चन्दकुपस्त्रकयेयुता प्रसादं तनुते मह्यं चन्द्रघण्टेति विस्तृता पिण्डज प्रवरारूढा चन्दकुपस्त्रकयेयुता प्रसादं तनुते मह्यं चन्द्रघण्टेति विस्तृता पिण्डज प्रवरारूढा चन्दकुपस्त्रकयेयुता प्रसादं तनुते मह्यं चन्द्रघण्टेति विस्तृता ॐ देवी चन्द्रघण्टे नमः 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 पिण्डज प्रवरारूढा चन्दकुपस्त्रकयेयुता प्रसादं तनुते मह्यं चन्द्रघण्टेति विस्तृता पिण्डज प्रवरारूढा चन्दकुपस्त्रकयेयुता प्रसादं तनुते मह्यं चन्द्रघण्टेति विस्तृता पिण्डज प्रवरारूढा चन्दकुपस्त्रकयेयुता प्रसादं तनुते मह्यं चन्द्रघण्टेति विस्तृता ॐ देवी चन्द्रघण्टे नमः। 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 ॐ